what's happening, students are going to first read an article. Students are then going to annotate the article. Then after they read and annotate, students are going to complete step number 3, where they're going to complete this chart right here with the article details, the personal response, a summary, and key information. Your students are going to come in and they're able to use audio, voice, and help provide their answers using multimedia. You're also, as a teacher, able to come in here to this little toolbar and go to split and merge. You can take this document and merge it with an article. So I can come in, go ahead and go to split and merge. And then what I'm able to do is I can add an article from my computer, from my Google Drive, or even search maybe an article in the Kami library. So again, I can search for maybe like a reading or some type of activity that I want my students to complete on this activity. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to search maybe current news article for students. And we're going to go ahead and go here. Well, let's do something with the Olympics. This looks great. And then what I'm able to do is I'm able to come in here and I can download or print this article. So let's go ahead and go to File. We're going to print this. I just am going to hit Save, Save. Then in here, I'm going to come over and add that article into Split and Merge. And now I'm going to hit Next. And again, I want my students to read that article. I don't need this page because again, it was just kind of blank. And so again, they're going to complete all of these steps, read this article, and annotate. I'm able to export this, open it right into Kami, and then I can assign it right to my Google Classroom for my students to complete all of these activities. And then I'll be able to see how they respond on this article. Another really cool feature in Kami is I can come over here to questions. And once I allow and enable AI, I can hit generate. I want it to generate questions for page 2 to 3. And I want maybe 4 multiple choice, maybe 1 short answer. This is grade, we're going to say 5 that I want it for. I'm going to go ahead and save it to my Google Drive, and then I'm going to generate. It is going to take about 30 seconds to create some questions for my students to answer. So maybe another step could be answer the questions, right? I could do 1, 2, 3, or instead of summary, I could kind of add that because it is on this chart below, but I could say complete the questions over on the side. And so then I can come in and I'm also able to grab and drop these over on the screen for my students to complete. But it takes up a lot of space. So instead of a full, I could do a marker and say, hey, question number 3 is right around here. And again, I'm able to come in. I can update any of these answer choices as I need to. So now I have a quick comprehension check for my students. So again, read the article. They're going to highlight and annotate. Then they're going to complete this chart over here. And they're going to write a summary. And they might also complete questions if you wish to add that step.